What if I told you that these scenes weren't just made by a massive VFX team with a 9-figure budget? Or that some of them weren't even filmed with a traditional camera? What if a huge part of what you're seeing was imagined by a single artist and then brought to life with AI? Hollywood has a new secret weapon. It's not a new camera or a big name actor. It's artificial intelligence, and it's quietly transforming how movies get made, from generating entire worlds to helping write scenes from scratch. But while studios are carefully exploring these tools behind closed doors, a revolution is already happening. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the AI tools they are using, how it all works, and what it means for the future of film. One of the first places this AI revolution is really taking hold is in the quiet, dark suites of post-production. Editing has always been a labor-intensive process, but AI is now acting as a silent assistant, automating some of the most grueling tasks. Imagine sifting through hundreds of hours of footage. AI can now tear through it in minutes. Tools built directly into software like DaVinci Resolve can automatically detect scene changes, organize clips, and even identify the best takes based on cinematography or pacing. This frees up editors from technical grunt work, allowing them to focus on what actually matters, the story. Tasks that used to take days, like rotoscoping, the meticulous process of cutting an object out from its background frame by frame, can now be done with shocking speed, with some studios reporting massive workload reductions. But it's not just about making things faster. AI is also changing how a film feels. AI-assisted color grading can analyze footage and instantly balance color, correct skin tones, or even copy the look of a famous film from a simple text prompt. Want your footage to have the warm, dreamy look of the movie Amelie? Yep, there's an AI for that. It analyzes the visual DNA of the film and generates a custom color profile, ensuring a project looks consistent from start to finish. This isn't about replacing the colorist, it's about giving them superpowers. Okay, let's get to the really wild stuff. Visual effects. This is where AI goes from being an assistant to a co-creator. For decades, creating lifelike CGI has been one of the most expensive and time-consuming parts of filmmaking. AI is starting to flip that script. For years, AI has been used to manage massive crowd scenes like the final battle in Avengers Endgame, but that was more about simulation, programming digital extras to not bump into each other. The real game changer now is generative AI. Tools from companies like Runway and Google are capable of generating fantastical backdrops, realistic explosions, or entire video clips from a simple text description. Now, these tools aren't churning out 4K feature films just yet. We're often talking about short high-definition clips, but they're perfect for creating quick concepts or elements that VFX artists can then refine. This tech is already being used to create 3D textures, embellish digital props, and slash rendering times. One VFX studio reported that a rendering task that would have taken 200 days was finished in just 18, thanks to an AI denoiser. And while most major studios are still hesitant to make public announcements, many are actively experimenting and integrating these tools into their workflows behind the scenes. This technology is starting to democratize filmmaking, putting the power to create stunning visual effects into the hands of independent creators. It's clear that AI is becoming an indispensable creative partner. If you want to understand where the creative world is heading, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for more deep dives just like this one. The changes don't stop with the visuals. AI is also making its way into the very first step of filmmaking, writing the script. Now let's be clear, AI is not writing the next Oscar winner. At least not yet. Anyone who has tried to generate a full script with a simple prompt knows the results can lack a certain human touch. But what it is becoming is a powerful brainstorming partner. Writers are using AI tools like NolanAI and Melis to generate story ideas, flesh out character backstories, and structure plot outlines. These platforms can help break through writer's block by suggesting dialogue or unexpected plot twists, acting as a tireless creative sounding board. The potential for AI to be used in scriptwriting was a major point of contention during the 2023 writers' strike, which shows just how seriously the industry is taking this technology. Beyond the script itself, AI is streamlining the entire pre-production pipeline. There is now AI-powered software that can analyze a finished script and automatically generate complex shooting schedules and budgets, optimizing the whole production process before a single camera even rolls. So, where does this leave the human artist in Hollywood? Well, it's not a simple takeover. Think of it less as a replacement for human creativity and more as an amplifier. It's handling the tedious, repetitive, and technical tasks, which frees up filmmakers and artists to focus on the storytelling, emotion, and vision that only a human can provide. By making high-end tools more accessible, AI is empowering a new generation of creators to tell their stories on a scale that was once reserved for major studios. From the editing bay to the writer's room, AI is the new unseen collaborator in Hollywood. The real question is, what incredible new worlds will it help us create next? What are your thoughts on AI's role in filmmaking? Let me know in the comments below.